to reset and customize your TikTok for your page. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset and customize your TikTok for your page. It's so easy and quick. First thing, go to your TikTok. Um, the first thing, go to your Discover and click on the search, and now clear all your search. Clear. Now the second thing, go to your profile, click on those three buttons, click on setting and privacy, and scroll down, click on free up space and clear your cache, and start liking type of videos you want to show up on your page. For example, if you like oh, this one is so cool, click on it, and you can also follow the people. No, the second thing is keep clicking on not interested. If you're not interested of kind of type of videos, click on the second choice on this list, which is not interested. The second not interested, and keep doing that. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.